Good evening, YouTubers. This is your zip code for Reek. Matt Shiny here in the 92805 zip code in this rainy Southern California day, or evening rather, Sunday, January 4th. And this is an intro to our first zip code freak show consideration, the Commonwealth of Puerto Rico, also known as Estado Libre Asociado de Puerto Rico. Ragged Rectangle, as some have called it, in the Caribbean area. And it first became a U.S. territory in 1898, and its residents became U.S. citizens in 1917. It came into the U.S. fold as a result of the Spanish-American War and the Treaty of Paris. Puerto Rico is about a little over 3,500 square miles for land and 5,400 total for the area. Much of Puerto Rico is water. The land area is about somewhere between the size of Delaware and Connecticut. For those of you that are Angelinos or Southern Californians, it's about 85% of LA County's land area, and there's about the population of Orange County in that area, or about a little over 3.2 million people. Just over Orange County's population size. Divided into 6 regions by most authorities. It includes the larger island and some smaller islands to the west and to the east of the main island. Right now, because it's a tropical country, the temperature is still pretty balmy. Average is 77 for the high, 65 for the low. San Juan, which is the capital, contains more than 10% of the population, about 342,000 plus people. High of 84, low of 65. It's also where the main airport is. And as far as the zip code part of it goes, anything starting with a 006, 007, or 009 will be in Puerto Rico. 006 is for the northwestern part of the state, or territory, sorry. 007 is for the southeastern part, and 009 is for the part called Metro, which is San Juan and its suburbs. And there are 176 zip codes in Puerto Rico. That includes P.O. boxes. I try not to talk about them too much, but in some cases it can't be avoided because not everybody has delivery. Sometimes people have to trudge into the store to get their mail, so to speak. San Juan by itself has 36 of these, it being the largest city and everything. And we will be doing 2 Puerto Rico zip codes for this segment of the show. This isn't but to whet your appetite, and I would suggest getting a map. I will do the best I can to describe where these places are that I'm talking about. At some point, I'll start trying to incorporate maps in here as well to make this more exciting than it already is for you number nerds. Anyway, Puerto Rico, and we'll see you in the next video, and stay tuned.